reminding again, yeah.
Yes.
So we can talk more about the paper bags, yeah. So like what kind of paper bag? What kind of paper do you know for the paper bags, the shopping bag?
Basic paper. And any other? The art paper.
Oh, yes. So we can do the CMYK printing. So it can be any colors you like and any features you like. So I will show you the back. Yeah. So we can just leave the box. So we can move to the paper bags. Yeah. See here. So this one is a kind of paper bag. Yeah, we can do this. This is a kind of CMYK printing paper bag. What's the texture you know for on this one?
Ribbon.
No, I mean the texture. I mean here, the printing here.
Marble.
Yeah, so like the marble. So we can also have different printing here. Like if you want to print on a cat here, can be the Hello Kitty or what kind of all kind of feature you like, the cartoon figure you like, you can just have the printing here. And also we get the hot stamping logo here, you can see here. Yeah. And also you can show friends for the inside loop. Yeah. This printing on one side. Yes, one side printing. Yeah, this is the art paper, the CMYK printing. Yeah, also with the ribbon handle, the texture ribbon. Yeah, and also we get CMYK printing double side. You can see. What's the color here?
This light coffee.
Maybe dark coffee. Yes, a kind of coffee color. Yeah, and also you can see here.
Pink color.
Yes, we get the pink color here. So surely you get the double side printing. So you get the double printing. And we can get the handle here, and also get the ribbon. Get the ribbon tied in at the middle. Get the ribbon tied at the middle. So after you put your gifts inside, you can just have it safely and hand it to your friends. Yeah. So now here, and also if you like, you can just have the have your logo printed inside. Also can be printed here, letters, and also maybe you can get your website here. You can get your website here. Yeah. You can show the surface texture. The surface texture here. The texture here.
Yes.
Yes. The texture. And also this kind of texture, they are different. You can see the different textures. Yes.
Okay, you can see this one. The texture is print to this bag, and this one is the both texture. It's different than this one. When we touch the surface, and I can get the
texture.
Yes, they're different with the printing texture. And as the texture, they have many different style, right?
Yes.
Like this and this, and other.
Like the branches, yeah, and also you can like maybe make it like the square one. And this is what I mean for have the printed inside. You can see the writing here, writing around the inside. Yes, can be the writing.